Welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Samsung Galaxy M34, and I'm gonna show you how to clean USB charging port on this device using household items. Firstly, you need to know that you don't need to use metal objects to clean your USB charging port. Firstly, because it's dangerous for your charging port, because using metal objects you can damage your USB charging port. I suggest to use an old toothbrush, because old toothbrushes everyone have at home, and using toothbrush you can easily clean your USB port. So as you can see, there is something in my port that prevents the charging cable from going all the way, and to clean it we just need to insert one part of the brush and just pry the dirt out. Great, that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you!